So how to deposit a cheque using HSBC's online banking app. So to deposit a cheque into HSBC, if you click the menu at the top, it'll open you up to this page here, and you just want to click on deposit a cheque. Then once you've done that, it'll bring you through to this page here. So you'll just need to clarify which account you want the cheque to be paid into. And then once you've selected which HSBC account you want it into, you can then go ahead and select the amount for the cheque. So in terms of the amount, there is a £2,000 limit. So for the example of this video, we're just going to say we've got a cheque for £200. Then once you've entered the amount of the cheque, you're going to need to take a photo of the front and the back of the cheque. And then once you've taken those photos, you can send the cheque off to HSBC, and it's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.